Manufacturing is entering a new age, an age of endless opportunities for the knowledge industry. Singapore is taking the next big step in developing its advanced manufacturing ecosystem.
Jurong Innovation District will be Asia's leading one-stop advanced manufacturing hub. Wholly master planned, developed and managed by JTC. This district supports our Manufacturing 2030 plan, representing the next lap of manufacturing in Singapore. When fully completed, JID will nurture an ecosystem of technology providers, high-tech manufacturers, researchers, and educational and training institutions. This is where technology, talent, and sustainable design converge to inspire ideas and accelerate solutions.
We've created a living lab environment designed to open up new opportunities, whether you're looking for a testbed for experimentation or partners to develop 5G and artificial intelligence technologies with. JID has it all.
Hyundai Motor Group Innovation Center in Singapore will be an open innovation lab focused on future mobility research. Jurong Innovation District has the right mix of advanced manufacturers, academic institutions, technology providers, and services.
By locating Makino's Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence in JID, we hope to foster partnerships with more industry partners and institutions.
Key of the Advanced Manufacturing Transformation Center is to accelerate the adoption of the existing and upcoming factories for additive manufacturing. We set up there a complete ecosystem that is accessible to all companies embarking on their digital transformation journey.
Jurong Innovation District has a really big potential and also big advantage. For us at Bosch, it's so important to develop our ecosystem approach, bringing academia, smart industries, smart people together within the Bosch Rexroth plants and also in our facilities.
At its core are people, those who determine your success in your advanced manufacturing journey. Our universities work closely with manufacturers to ensure that thousands of young creative minds are plugged into this ecosystem.
A campus is where one finds deep investigation ideas. It is not merely a physical space, but rather a community developing and growing together.
JID is growing an advanced manufacturing ecosystem and bringing it right to your doorstep. All you have to do is plug and play. The possibilities, they're endless.